Learning for all does not mean every student masters every target in the curriculum. Learning for all means we work to ensure every student masters the essentials of every curricular area, right? So that's what learning. One of the things I do as a leader is I don't like ambiguity at all. I can't stand it. I'm a pragmatist. I need stuff to be tangible, whether it's equity or how you define PLCs. PLCs in my world, you're not going to find this in a book, organizing to ensure students master essential learning outcomes. That's the work. And when you put it that way and keep it that simple, then it's easier to vet what's aligned and what's not aligned. But if PLCs are still a bunch of moving parts, well, it's a meeting, well, it's a SMART goal, well, it's us getting together, blah, blah, blah. It's looking at data. No. Organizing to ensure students master essential learning outcomes. That's what a PLC is. And so everything we do, everything you're asked to do, everything should be completely aligned with organizing to ensure students master essential learning outcomes. And it should be research-based if you're asking everyone to do it.